All right, for those of you who watch us regularly, you know we're always looking for new investment ideas, and we've actually found some stocks that are down and out when it comes to price, but show some spirit when we're talking about growth. Courtney's back with a few of the names for us, but first, talk to me about this search. What did you do to kind of find out these names?
Well, went on to the Bloomberg to find them, and I wanted to talk about stocks that dropped over the past year, but have a little bit of growth and have a little bit of good value elements to them. So, went in, my whole search was U.S. stocks.
Okay.
The operating income had to be greater than 15%. The 5-year average earnings growth also had to be greater than 15%, but the PE ratio had to be less than 15, and the stock had to be flat or down so far for the year.
Looks like a real value play. All
exactly.
Right.
So the stocks that I found were Amedisys, they're a home healthcare system company. Alliant Techsystems, they make ammunition. Also big government supplier of ammunition. Esterline Technologies, they make jet engine parts. DTE Energy, they're also known as Detroit Edison. And Pactiv, they make hefty bags.
All right, these are not household names.
No, not at all.
Amedisys, talk to me a little bit more about this play and what you found out about it.
Well, they make low-cost health care. They supply that throughout the country. But they
Pretty volatile moves here.
Yeah, they did take a big hit back in early September. Chief Operating Officer and the Chief Information Officer resigned the same day. They both said that they were out to pursue other interests, but Jefferies analyst said these are the people who are running the trains for the company. CEO or COO Larry Graham, let me clarify that. He wanted to be CEO faster than the given time range.
All right. All right, interesting. Alliant Techsystems, again, not a household word. You know, this name came up on the Bloomberg. What else did you find out about it?
Yeah, they supply rounds and M16 ammo. And in August, full-year profit was higher than forecast. Increased commercial sales, also increased military ammo sales. Iraq and Afghanistan obviously helping, but another factor concerned that President Obama is going to cap ammunition sales. So a lot of hunters, a lot of others coming out there trying to get ammunition a little bit faster.
You know, we talk so much about Boeing and Airbus, the big players when it comes to the aircraft industry. Esterline Technologies, though, they obviously play into this jet engine parts, right?
Yes. And they beat estimates last quarter by more than 10%. S&P analyst Howard Rubel, he said the gross margins, they were really strong. They actually came in at a full 100 basis points better than estimates, than his particular estimate. Came in at 32.4%. And he actually raised his fiscal year forecast for the company. He says the company has a unique market position, has limited exposure to any one consumer, also has a strong operational focus, should help the company have better cash flow, should also help the company have better profitability so far. Company also said they see 2009 as their trough, but it's going to be a better year next year for them.
All right, what about for the, is it the hefty bag maker?
Yeah, Pactiv.
Talk to me about this one.
Yeah, they had record EPS this past quarter.
So they actually make the hefty bags.
They make the hefty bags. I didn't even know that. And they raised their 2009 view for the company. Lower raw materials costs helped them, and that was actually surprising because you know, a lot of commodities prices are pretty high.
But actually, their market cap, almost 3.4 billion. So,
yeah,
okay, not a small guy.
Very big company, and they said they also had improved productivity for the company, and that also helped them too.
All right, so really some value plays here potentially.
Exactly.
Got it. Court, thank you so much. Courtney breaking down her latest search on the Bloomberg terminal.